Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the era of mobile phones, and the apps on these mobile phones makes our life much easier and better. And in this video I will talk about 5 such apps that will help you as a college student to have an easier and a better life. If you are new here, my name is Mano, and I have tried a lot of apps in the past, and I came up with these 5 set of apps which you should be trying out if you are a college student. And let's hop into this video. So the first app in our list is Inshorts. So Inshorts is basically a news app, but okay, you all will be like, what, a news app? Okay, fine. This is not a kind of news app that you all think of. It's a kind of app which will change the way you read news forever. And basically, we as a college students, we don't have much time to read news like full-length news or news from newspapers or blogs. So how to be productive while reading news? And it's always good to know the current affairs. But how to do that? That's where Inshorts come into place. This app will gather news from various sources, and they will condense it, summarize the news in less than 60 words or so. So by this you can get what's happening around you, what's happening in India, what's happening around the globe, and you can stay updated with the current affairs. And this app, I'm certain that this app will change the way you read the news forever. So the next app in our list is Notion. Yes, the same Notion. I have mentioned this app in my previous video as well, and this is one of my favorite apps. It's one of my favorite productivity apps, note-taking apps, to-do list apps, whatever you want to do, you can do that with Notion. So if I want to take notes for my college classes, if my online classes are going and I have to take notes, I'm not a paper and pen guy. I like to take digital notes. So I find Notion super useful and easy to take notes. So I can take add images to them. I can add audio to them, and a lot more rich media like text, bullets, tables. And the amazing feature is that they also support databases like Kanban boards and tables, lists. So you can connect two tables if you have like 2 subjects, and if 2 subjects are interlinked, you can link them as a 2 multiple databases. So they provide us so many features. You can collaborate with your friends in that particular database and do what sort of things you want. Like it's super amazing. And even if I do like some other videos like top 5 apps of my in my phone, I will obviously include this app in every single video of that, and it's like super amazing. You should try that out, and there is no reason you shouldn't be trying it out. So our next app in this list is Spotify. So I'm sure like all of you who are viewing this video will be using Spotify in your daily life, and mostly to listen to music. But I use Spotify in a different way, and I use it to listen to podcasts and audiobooks. And there are so many amazing podcasts and audiobooks to listen to on Spotify. Audiobooks are not certain to like Audible or Storytel. Spotify even provides audiobooks in a form of podcast. So I used to listen a lot of music plus podcast plus audiobooks on Spotify, and it certainly will improve your knowledge as well. Listening to audiobooks are super important in 2021, and if you are someone in college to gain more knowledge apart from academics, audiobooks are one of the amazing things to go, because in audiobooks and podcasts, the host will be interviewing some amazing people around the world, someone who you might be admiring, someone like Elon Musk, someone like Mark Zuckerberg. So it's amazing, always a great sign to listen to audiobooks and podcasts, and Spotify helps me do that. It's one of the amazing apps which is in my top 5 list. So finance is one topic, guys, every individual needs to know. But unfortunately, it's neither taught in our schools, nor in our colleges, nor by anyone who we work with or interact with. So it's one of the topics which is not spoken much, but it's super important for everyone, every Homo sapiens, to know what happens in the financial world, because the most precious thing that we have is time, and we are trading our time for money. And so as we are trading the precious thing for money, money is also as important as our time. So it's quite important to know how to handle this money. And where do we learn this? Finance topics and finance knowledge gives us the knowledge of how to handle our money. And the unfortunate thing about this world is it's not taught anywhere else. You have to go yourself and learn it. So that is where this app called Finshots comes in. And these guys, what these guys do is that they curate articles, blog posts, and what they do is they take everything which is happening, the trending topics, hot topics which is happening on in the world, and how they are related to finance, how the topic or that particular event is affecting money and the finance behind that company. What's happening, certainly happening. Some like why the gas price is going down, why petrol price is hiking up, why Google is doing something which costs them so much, why Apple's products are coming late, features are coming late, and how that thing is related to their finance. So they curate some amazing articles and provide it to you. Also, they also provide these newsletters which comes to your direct to your inbox, email inbox, and you can read them from there as well. So Finshots is one app which will help you to improve your financial knowledge and get to know what's happening in the financial world. So the last app in our list is Google Calendar. Yes, it's a calendar app, but it's more than a calendar app. Let me explain you. If you are a college student and you want to schedule your classes somewhere, instead of writing that down on a piece of paper and losing that paper somewhere else and going and finding it out, it's so inefficient. So the efficient way of doing that is to use Google Calendar. Having Google Calendar as your daily scheduler is one of the amazing things you can do as a college student. And what I do is like I go to Google Calendar and schedule all my classes over there. Like if I have some online classes, or even if there is a like even before COVID, if there is a physical classes, I'm attending physical classes, I will just go to Google Calendar and schedule whatever the class is there. If the class starts by 10 a.m., the Google Calendar app will automatically sends me notification like 10 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour before, depending on what is the notification time which I set. And it's such an amazing tool to use if you are a college student to schedule all your classes. And the other one is if you are new to college, remembering your peers or friends' birthdays is kind of difficult. I know that, but Google Calendar helps you with that. You can just go to Google Calendar, like jot down their birth date and like write their name. The calendar app will automatically send you notification or even email notifications a day before and on that particular day, like in the morning 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. depending on what the time you set. And it's such an amazing thing so that you won't miss anyone's birthdays as well, or even if that's some cultural events happening in your college, you don't want to miss them, and it's coming like a week after, you might or might not remember them, so you're confused. So you just go to Google Calendar, jot it down, and it's super easy. They will send you notifications so that you and keep you informed what's coming up. So it's a super productive app which you can use as a college student. So hey, if you are someone who is watching till now, I'm going to give you a bonus app. And this bonus app is called Canva, and this is one of the design tools and assignment presentations, taking PowerPoints or like a part of college life, and every student has to do it. You can't escape that. And having some really good designs on your assignment and some presentations and homework will obviously fetch you some edge over other people and give you some good marks as well. So I use a tool called Canva, and this tool has all some really good amazing animations, tools, and pictures which you can like drag and drop and create your own designs. I used to design my Instagram post. If I want to post some arts on Twitter or Instagram, I use this. Even for this video's thumbnail, I used Canva for it. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next one. Bye.